As the war against the deadly virus continues, China has now offered to help North Korea in the fight. The President Xi Jinping made that offer while responding to a message reportedly from the North Korean leader Kim Jong-un. And this comes just days after intense speculation over the health condition of Kim Jong-un. The exchange also tells us about where China's concerns are placed. It would definitely not want a severe outbreak of the virus right next door. But interestingly, that message of support comes in at a time when North Korea maintains it has zero coronavirus cases. For China, the message from Kim Jong-un would also have been reassuring given his recent disappearance from the public scene and the subsequent emergence, which has also led to multiple theories about his health condition. Let's tell you more about the messages that were exchanged between the two leaders. First of all, Xi Jinping was glad to receive Kim Jong-un's warm and friendly message. In his message, Kim had praised Beijing for its success in tackling the COVID-19 crisis. He praised Xi Jinping for seizing the chance of victory in the war. Lastly, he expressed conviction that China would secure the final victory under the wise guidance of Xi Jinping. And this is how the Chinese president then responded. Firstly, Xi Jinping said that he is paying great attention to the COVID-19 situation in North Korea. Secondly, he promised all help to North Korea and went on to acknowledge the deep ties between the two sides and also said he is pleased with North Korea's control measures. Now, this exchange between the two leaders raises concern over the situation in North Korea. So far, the country claims to have reported zero COVID-19 cases, but many suspect North Korea is covering up the crisis. Experts believe that North Korea's poor healthcare system will not be able to bear the strain. Agreed, North Korea was the first country to shut its borders to outsiders. At the lengthy border that it shares with China, guards have been ordered to shoot anybody who tries to cross over. But it will be hard to keep this border sealed for long, as North Korea relies heavily on this route to get its supplies from China. Now we know why North Korea needs China. Major supplies into the country have been disrupted. But why does China want North Korea to be infection-free? That's where geopolitics comes into play. Firstly, China would want North Korea to suppress the possible COVID-19 outbreak to keep its own population safe. The two countries share a border that's 1,400 kilometers long. Secondly, China worries about the potential damage. North Korea's ill-equipped hospitals will be overwhelmed. Thirdly, the fallout due to the outbreak could threaten Kim Jong-un's autocratic regime. And North Korea is China's counter to America in a way in the region. So Xi Jinping will be glad to have received Kim Jong-un's warm messages. It is quite clear that Kim will refuse America's offer for help, thus showing China his true allegiance. And China need not worry about a potential succession coup in North Korea. Kim claims to be fit and fine. So as long as North Korea remains COVID-19 free, China can